It's been an incredibly long day today, but man, I am so pumped because I have something really special here. And guys, you know how much I love reviewing product for our beards. You know how much I enjoy getting to talk more about these different companies that exist and discovering them for myself. And maybe you have discovered them for yourself too. It's always fun being able to do this. And I want to just be completely upfront with you guys. I love doing stuff like this. And I am just so incredibly honored that there is a company that I have done a review for, and they sent me over some goodies, and they sent me over something that I truly cannot tell you how cool it is, how cool it's going to be, and just how much it means to me. But also too, I don't know, I feel I'm a little bit blown away. I really am. And I'm not gonna lie, I've already opened the box. I couldn't help myself. But I have a really special package and special delivery from Educated Beards, and I've done a review for them. They're based in Canada, and Kevin, who is the owner, I showed him my video and said, hey man, just want to let you know I did a review for you guys. And he has been so kind and so gracious to send me over some stuff. And guys, if you watch my last video that I've done for them, you'll know that this there's a little Easter egg in there, but this is something really special. Nice little thank you postcard from Kevin, and I really appreciate you guys. They said they appreciate that I did a video for them. I appreciate you guys because you're making some really good stuff here, man. So let's open this. I want to stop talking because this is too exciting. This is like Christmas, but for your beard, and it's so much fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna we're just gonna do it like this, right? Whoa. Something like that. Sticker. I didn't mean to throw the sticker. It just look at this. Look at this. This is packaged so nicely. This is so exciting. I can't wait. Here we go. You guys pumped? I'm super pumped. Okay, so whoa, a ton of oh, look at this. Check that out. Isn't that so cool? So this is a shave kit. Now don't worry, they're not promoting that I shave my beard by any stretch. There. Hold on a second. We're gonna just okay, check this out, guys. Look at this. We have their shave kit. Don't worry, they're not telling me to shave my beard. Thankfully, they're not telling me to shave my beard. But this is a shave kit, and I'm excited about it because this is going to be great for my head. As you guys, I haven't even shaved. There'll be a video coming up very shortly where I'm actually going to do a video talking and walking through how do you shave your head. I've done a video before already about that, but I'm going to do another video to, kind of a newer edition, and I'm going to use this product, and I'm going to talk, I'm going to give you my full honest opinion when I'm actually using the product. You'll join me as I shave my head. It's gonna be great. But they sent me over a shave kit, peppermint cedarwood. That's the scent profile. It comes with a safety razor, badger hair shave brush. You have shave soap, and you have 10 double edge blades that come with the actual safety razor. Oh, that's gonna be incredible. I can't wait to try this and use this. Guys, that is so incredibly generous of you. This is the thing though that I am just like, oh, this is so cool. Guys, look at, it's the Book of Beards. Oh man, I cannot begin to tell you how cool this is. Oh, this is so sick. Look at this thing. Isn't that cool? And like, look at it. Like, it actually looks like a book. Like, it's clearly a box that they've just, you know. But it's just, it's such a cool thing. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. So, what comes in a beard box? You're wondering. You got everything from beard oil, mustache wax, beard balm, beard oil, beard wash, scissors, a boar hair, beard brush, and a comb. That's what comes in this amazing little box here. Little, it's not even, it's, this is crazy. I can't wait to put this in my book in my office. I just can't wait to do that. It's gonna be so cool. This is the Book of Beards, guys. And the scent profile that I have here is bergamot and grapefruit. I'm pumped. This is exciting. And I just want you guys to have a moment with me, share the unboxing of these products here. How about we open these things up and we see what they look like? You guys down for that? Okay, cool. So we're gonna do the shave kit. Very easy. Pull off the sleeve, and then you open it up. And here is what you get in your shave kit. So you have everything from your shave brush to the razor, and you have the shave soap. So I'm really looking forward to this, using this. This looks really good. The ingredients on here, there's nothing, oh, there are ingredients there. It's all on the bottom here, or on the side. And I'm gonna do a little bit of research on how to actually apply this properly, because I remember when I started using this kind of stuff, I felt like you know, as you learn, you grow. But I'm gonna look up, yeah, this is good. So yeah, that's what comes in the shave kit. Actually, let's take a look at what you guys want to look at what the razor actually looks like? Whoa, that's so cool. Oh man. Okay. That's simple. Okay. Wow. This is a heavy razor. I'm so used to using like these like plastic razors right now, so this feels very sturdy. This feels really well built. Just looks cool. And then you've got your blades right there. So that's what comes in your shave kit, and that looks so cool. And I cannot wait. Can't wait to use this. I want to smell this actually really quickly, because that's the key thing. So again, I think this is a classic bearded manly smell. And this is what it looks like. And so you would take this and you would apply into some water. So that's what it looks like. Isn't that cool? Oh, it smells really good. I like it a lot. Honestly, I don't want this to sound rude or anything like that. It just smells like dental floss. It smells like dental floss. I don't know if that's the most accurate description, but that's what it smells like. It smells like dental floss. Right after you get your teeth brushed. So you're taking care of your teeth, you're taking care of your beard. Taking care of your hair. I like that. So this is the shave kit, and it looks really good. Now let's open up the Book of Beards. So you're just gonna pull off the sleeve here on the bottom. Okay, let's try that. Because I'm an idiot and I'm not doing this right. Okay, so now we're gonna. Okay, now let's talk about the Book of Beards here, because this is. Oh man, this looks so good. So you're just gonna pull off the sleeve, which I'm gonna just. Hopefully nothing moved while I just did that. Probably did. Knowing my luck. There we go. Pull off the sleeve. Okay, you guys ready? This is. Hold on a second. Let me go back. Okay, we're back. I just love this editing. It's so much fun. Let's open up this box because some things moved in the talking. Look at it. You hear that click? Do you hear that click? Oh, it's so satisfying. I don't know why. Here we go. Here is the Book of Beards. Look at that. You guys seeing this? Isn't that cool? Okay, so we got everything from our beard oil, beard balm, beard butter, the soap. I cannot wait to try the soap. Like the beard wash. I can't wait to use that. That just I cannot wait to try it. The scissors. You get scissors with it, and then you open up this middle compartment here, and that is where you get the dropper. Or the pump, sorry, for your beard wash. And then here is the brush, like that. That's nice. Great grooming tool, fantastic grooming tool. And then you get your comb, and so it's like a plastic comb, and it's got embroidered, plastic embroidery, gold embroidering of EB, which is Educated Beards. That feels like a really strong comb. I like that. That's a great little valve. Like that's so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna just kind of open this up and look at myself. So again, it tells you everything that you get in it. You have beard oil, beard balm, beard and body wash. You have mustache wax, you have scissors, you have comb, and you have the boar bristle brush. So it's interesting that there's a beard and body wash. I'm interested to know how that actually feels, because sometimes you see in stores where it's like hair, and then it's like hair and body, or like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all in one. So I'm interested to see how that differs from other companies that do stuff like that. And then we got our beard oil, and then this is, I pull this guy out here. This is the mustache wax. My mustache is struggling. I need to do better at having a better mustache. I really do. And this is a sample beard oil, a tiny little sample beard oil, which I think that's great. And then we have the beard balm. I thought it was beard butter. I am wrong, guys. I don't know why I said that before. And then you got the beard wash right there. That's cool. This is great. So this is the all-in-one. I'm shocked by this. I'm trying to contain all my excitement right now, but this is just, I think presentation-wise, this has got to be the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life, and it looks really cool. Yeah, this is insane, man. This is so cool. Wow, this is great. So if you guys want to, you guys will listen to my review at some point about the beard wash, beard balm. You guys will hear me talk about this more, because I'm going to talk about it. This is great. This is super exciting. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you to the rest of Educated Beards for sending this over. Guys, if you have yet to try out Educated Beards, you need to check these guys out. They are phenomenal. Amazing beard company. Again, I just need you to take one more look at this, because this is the coolest thing I have ever seen. Educated Beards, man. This is great. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you guys in the next video. And as I like to say on the channel, keep your stick on the ice and treat your beard to something nice. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.